Hello students, today we are going to learn about the lesson Work of Art by Anton Chekhov. Anton Chekhov was famous Russian novelist, playwright. In Work of Art by Anton Chekhov, we have the theme of gratitude, poverty, perception, morality, independence and social opinion. Taken from this complete short stories, collection of this story is narrated by in the first person by unnamed narrator. And after reading the story, the reader realizes Chekhov may be exploring theme of gratitude. Sasa is grateful to Dr. Hosukhov for saving his life and such presents him with an antique candelabra. Candelabra is nothing but a large amount of holding the handles in the candlesticks. So in this lesson particularly, author exploring the theme, this may be very important as Chekhov may be using the candelabra to explore the theme of perception. Sasa considered candelabra to a work of art while Doctor thinks otherwise. He considered it improper to display the candelabra in his office. As too does Oho when he is presented with candelabra by Kolskov, doctor. So inappropriate in his candelabra that Oho tries to pass it on Suskin. So all the three men, Kolskov, Oho and Suskin, have one thing in common. Their opinion on the candelabra is that maybe work of art. However, it is more troublesome to keep than its worth, which may say a lot for society perception when it comes to art, with the beauty being evident in the candelabra. However, due to the morals that society imposes on individual, none of the three men are prepared to keep the candelabra. None are independent enough in their thinking to keep the candelabra and forgot about what others might say about it when they see it, which may be the point that Chekhov is attempting to make. He may be suggesting that Dr. Kolskov, Oho and Suskin are somewhat paralyzed or stuck to routine that involves them being overly concerned about that they have in the society. None of the men appear to have an independent voice, unlike Sasa, who can see the real beauty in the candelabra, the antique one. Their lives seems to be dedicated by the social opinion of others, who may view all three men in unfavorable light should they keep the candelabra and display it in their home or office, which really leaves the reader thinks that maybe all three men are defined by how others may view them. So in this end of the story is also interesting as Chekhov manages to add humor to the story. Sasa believes he has found the match to the candelabra and present to it Doctor. So little does Sasa realizes that it is the same candelabra that he is presenting to Doctor for the second time. It is as though Chekhov through humor is affording Dr. Kolskov the opportunity to think differently or change the mind about candelabra. However, it is clear to the reader that Chekhov have been changed of leader's mind. He is aware that he has to go back to Oho, who will go to Suskin, who in turn will attempt to sell the candelabra back to Madame Simnov, the Sasa's mother. The paralysis that also Oho and Suskin may feel due to the pressures of the society is mirrored by the second attempt by all three men to do what they had previously done. And so, in the essence, they are doing the same thing again, which suggests that very little movement on behalf of three men. They remain under the influence of social opinion, and such none of the men will keep the candelabra, their lives being dedicated to them by what society thinks. Rather than showing any independent thought, all three men remain fixed in their beliefs, which again suggests that all three men are paralyzed by the society's opinion. Thank you.